For y'all that don't know, for y'all that do know, my name is Ashley and I'm back with another video. Hi! It's been a long time. I shouldn't have left you without a dope step two. I'm so sorry. It's been forever since I posted a video, but I am giving y'all an update on having texturized / texlax hair. And yeah, my first texlax I did in January of 2022, I believe. And I have touched it up, I think, 1, 2, 3 times since then. I've touched it up about 3 times since then. You can go look on my channel and you'll see like the touch-up videos and stuff and the updates and things that I've had. So we are 3.5 years post original texlax, which means including touch-ups and everything, which means that my hair, like all of the length that it has been texlax, has been touched up, except for, when did I do my last touch-up? I think maybe that was last year. Earlier this year? No, I think it was last year, because I had recently had my baby. So I think it was 2024. That was my last touch-up. But yeah, so, and I had to wait until I had taken out my braids again, because I think I made a post a couple months ago, like maybe 1 month ago or 2 months ago. I said I'll be posting again. I'm going to let y'all know. I'm going to give y'all an update, but, you know, I had to wear my braids because I went on a vacation, and obviously, black girl lore, you get braids when you go on vacation, so you don't have to deal with your hair out in wigs if you're not that girly. Did I leave my Red Bull? Or did I finish it? I might have finished it. I don't know. I'm tired, and it's a Monday. So here's my hair. This is the first day out of the braids, like completely. I finished taking my hair out yesterday. And this is my hair. I did not detangle it. I have not washed it. So this is like straight out the braids. This is how long my hair is in its natural state, meaning, you know, without anything in it, without it having been straightened or whatever. This is what it looks like. This is the length. It's at my breast. It's breast length. It's really dirty. It's really, really soft. Like really soft. But my hair has always been soft. It's never been super duper like coarse or anything like that. But I guess let me get into the actual health of my hair. So if you've been on my page a while, first of all, please remember to subscribe. Please subscribe. A lot of y'all watch my page. A lot of y'all watch my videos. And y'all have not subscribed to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. It will help me so much. Part of the reason I don't make as much content as I want to is because I have to go to work. So if you support my content, if you like my content, if you want more content, you will be doing me a favor by subscribing and liking and interacting and commenting and stuff like that. So thank you so much. But okay, let's get into the nitty gritty of this hair. I really like my hair. I really do. The manageability of it, for like, if nothing else, and I'm not telling you to do it. I'm not ever going to tell you to actually texlax your hair or texturize your hair because of the health things that can come with it. I'm not giving you advice on what to do. I'm just telling you what I did. Okay? I'm just telling you what I did. But for the manageability, I do not regret putting a texlax in my hair. It's so much easier to deal with, like for me, because it takes up so much less time, and blow drying is so much easier, detangling is so much easier, getting it done is so much easier because I can blow dry it easier for, you know, whatever the style is going to be. It's so much better for me. I'm so happy that I did this. Now, I don't texlax my hair regularly, so I personally am not worried about the the health things that can come with it from using it, the health risks that can come from using a textile regularly. So, Bo, I'm sorry. I kept saying let's get into it, but here it is. And I'm sorry this is raw and unedited and uncut. Okay. Yeah, my hair is big. This is what it looks like. This is not after a fresh wash. This is after taking down a style. It holds moisture pretty well. For the most part, yeah, it holds moisture pretty well. It's not usually dry unless I'm just obviously not putting anything in it. I don't think that it breaks more easily or not than it has before. I think like as far as the strength of my hair, I don't think it's been impacted that much. Like getting the texlax hasn't made it stronger, but it also hasn't really made it weaker necessarily. And I'm really rough on my hair. Also, my hair is really, really soft, and the strands themselves are pretty fine. Like I have a lot of hair, but my hair strands are not thick or coarse. They're like soft and small, which is what you would call fine hair. My hair is not thin, like as far as density, but the strand itself is fine. So I forgot why I said that. I'm so sorry, but yeah. I was talking about the strength. Yeah, it's about the same strength as it always has been. I haven't noticed any excessive breakage. That would be a result of the texlax. My edges do break off every so often, but that is usually because of the way that I style my hair. I went through months of wearing my hair in ponytails and buns. So you know that with wearing ponytails and buns, you get breakage around your edges and you get breakage in the center of your head. So I didn't have much breakage in the center of my hair, but I had a lot around like my edges. So my edges are really short, and I don't sleep with a bonnet on all the time. Like, I only sleep with it on when I freshly get my hair done. So, like, the first week or two, I try, and then, like, sometimes I sleep with a scarf. But I usually raw dog my clothes in the evening. So, yeah. Ooh, that sounded crazy. I usually just sleep with my hair bare on the pillow. Why would I say that? Jesus Christ, that's insane. But, yeah. So... yeah, no breakage that I can say has resulted from the texlax directly, which is good. That's good. After 3 years of getting it done, touching it up every so often, I haven't had any breakage from that I can say, would be like, oh my God, I did this, and then it started to break off. No. Even the second time when I touched it up and I overprocessed my roots, like, I didn't have any issues. And as you can see, that I touched it up, I think, at the end of 2022. So that hair would probably be, like, right here, like, getting towards the end. There's no, like, as far as the texture, there's no, what's the word? There's no discontinuity. I don't think that's right. But it's consistent from my roots to my tips with my texture. There's no, like, break in it from me having even over-processed it a little bit that one time that I did that I made that mistake, which is fantastic. So I'm trying to think of what else you guys need to know. As far as the texture of my hair, when it's wet and when it's washed, I guess I'll make another video of an update showing you what it looks like when it's freshly washed. I know that I needed to make this. I'm fighting with the data on my phone, the storage on my phone. So editing is getting a little difficult because I do all my YouTube videos on my phone. So I'm fighting with it right now, but I'll make it work. For now, I'll just make a separate video of what it looks like when it's wet after a fresh wash or whatever. But for now, the texture of it is pretty consistent. It's not, you know, once you put a chemical treatment in your hair, there's no bounce back. You are no longer natural. You have chemically treated your hair. But I will say that with the texlax that I use, you know, it's the ORS semi-straightening system. That one, because of how coily my hair was, when I wash my hair and I wear it, my hair still looks and feels natural. It did change my texture because it's not as coily, but it still looks and feels natural. So if I don't tell anybody that I put a texlax in my hair, they won't know. My hair is still, it's actually still coily. It's just a looser coil, which, so it looks more like a curl now, like a bigger curl. It's still coily, it's looser, and it's just a little bit more manageable for me because I didn't grow up knowing how to manage really coily, horsey hair. So like, I don't have the patience for that. And I have children. I have, you know, an elementary school age kid, and I have a little child, a baby. So I don't have the patience or the capacity or the time to deal with my hair like that. Which is also part of the reason that I did the texturizer in the first place. It just was easier for me. So yeah, as far as the texture and stuff goes, it's really nice. It's giving natural, girl. Like if I did a wash and go, I would have to retrain my hair to do a wash and go, but it's hitting all the points. The texture is there. It's very manageable. It is soft. It's not super coarse. It's not damaged. It's not broken. This is a full head of hair. I haven't had a haircut. I do my own trims. I think the last time I trimmed my hair was a couple months ago. I haven't had to trim up excessively because of breakage on the ends. Sometimes I do get split ends, but again, that's because I don't really protect my hair. I'm rough. I'm a rough rider on this hair. Let me tell you, I'm a rough rider on this hair, and she is holding up for me. You know how Tabitha Brown call her hair Donna? I gotta make a name for this girl because she is loyal and down, and she rides for me. You know what I'm saying? So if your hair is like mine, listen, you need to lock in with your girl. I've had my hair done in braids twice so far this year. And she's done well. Like I said, I just took some braids out, so that's been beneficial. But yeah, with everything that I've had going on, with the textlax has been good to me. It's been good to me. I know that may not be the case for everybody, especially when people don't follow instructions. If you follow instructions and you're sensible and you use your timers and like you're diligent with your stuff, a textlax can work wonders. But again, I'm not telling you to get one. I'm just telling you that I did. But thank you so much for watching. I will give y'all an updated video with what my hair looks like when it's wet, and I'll see y'all in the next video.